Alright, here's the Creative Book Builder app. So you're going to go ahead and on your iPad search and find Creative Book Builder. When it opens up, you're going to want to make sure you click Fixed Layout rather than Classic. You're probably going to need to push the plus button to add a book. I'm just going to show you an example that I made. When you go ahead and click on that, you're going to want to first add elements to the book. So you can click the plus sign, you got text, media, and we'll also use some miscellaneous stuff. So I'll start with text. Here's the title. You can go ahead and type in your title. Click Save. If you add another element that's a paragraph, again you can tap. You can type in your paragraph. Oops, excuse me. Type in your paragraph. Maybe you've typed a lot of stuff. If you do type a lot, I'll show you kind of what might happen. And then click Save again. You can see it shows up. Notice it's cutting off a little bit of your paragraph that you've typed. You can fix that pretty easily if you double tap on it and click Position. You can change the height of the box that it gave you, make it a little larger. Click Save, and now you can see the box is a little bit bigger so that you have space. If you decide that you want the title to be centered, you can double tap, click Edit. And you can see you've got font and style. Under style is the alignment, so you can click center and that save, and that'll align it for you. A couple other things that you're going to want to add. You can click on media and then images and video. They'll add in basically the same way. So if we click on image, it'll bring you to your camera roll. Same thing with video. Video will bring your camera roll and find all your videos. You can go ahead and click on the image that you want. Click Done. And it'll show up. If that's too large, you can go ahead and double tap, and again it's position. And if you change, I'm going to change the height and hit save and save. That'll change the image, and I can go ahead and put it where I want to stick it. Okay. A couple last things that you should know how to add is under miscellaneous, you're going to want to be able to add a question. So you can see there's other things that you can play with, but if you click on question, you're going to want to be able to type in a question, hit save, and also give your reader some answers to choose from. After you've typed in a number of answers, make sure you mark one of them as correct and click save and save again. And there's the start of your book. To see how it's going to look for a reader, click preview. And you can see exactly what it's going to look like. You can even try, your question and checking the answer and see how that's going to work. If you need to add more pages, go up here to the top and click on the button right there next to the one that says Pages, and that will let you add some more pages, and you can click Save. And that's well on your way to creating your book. I'm going to click the back arrow to get back to what I was originally looking at. Now for the science demonstration books, what you're going to want to do is start with the template. I've tried to make your life a little bit easier. So you can download the template as from a Google Doc, and this gives you ideas of what you can go ahead and put in. You should leave the formatting at least of the title and the name, so that looks similar for different people's chapters. But then you can go ahead and change the rest of how you see fit. But you should make sure you at least do have the sections that you need. To make your life easier, again, all you need to do is go ahead and double tap a section, click Edit. You can touch it and hold and then let go. Select all. You can delete it, and then you can type in your name, so by or whatever you need to do for your book. And when you click Save, you'll see that will show up. If you don't want the picture, in a certain spot, again, just go ahead and select on it, click Delete. That'll delete the element for you. And you can go ahead and type in and put in the stuff that you need for your book. You can see other suggestions of kind of how it would lay out, and you can use these titles and so forth. If you find that you do need to add more pages, you can definitely add more pages and click Save, and then you can also rearrange those pages. So if you don't need them here but you needed them somewhere else, that's where you click Pages, and you can go ahead and just drag and drop after you hit the Edit button the page that you want and put it where you want it, and click Done and Close, And now you can see, I put a blank page much earlier in my book, and there's the blank page if I felt like I needed to put stuff there. Good luck making books. Can't wait to see what you create.